Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inspecting the zipper closely so you know what you're fixing. Look for fabric caught in the teeth, bent or missing teeth, and whether the slider is loose. Once you've identified the problem, relieve tension by opening the bag and smoothing the tape. Make sure to remove any debris. Use a light lubricant on metal teeth so the slider moves. This early step prevents damage and gives you room to work on the slider or teeth next. Now you address the slider and the teeth, which are the most common faults. If the slider pulls but doesn't close, pinch it slightly with needle nose pliers, top and bottom together, to restore grip. Test frequently. If teeth are bent, realign one at a time so the slider can pass. Do this slowly. Once a tightened slider still fails to join teeth, replace it with a matching size and tooth style so the zipper functions reliably again. Finish by running the zipper end to end several times to seat the slider and confirm smooth action. This also reveals intermittent catches. Make sure top and bottom stops are secure. If the slider comes off, add a new stop or sew a fabric stop to prevent separation. If missing or severely damaged teeth remain, the longer-term fix is replacing the whole zipper tape, because patched teeth rarely hold. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.